In this tutorial, you will learn to activate the cellular modem that is designed for the new InCommand Go displays. Activating the SIM card in the cell modem provides a constant and reliable cellular connection directly from the cab of your machine. This will enhance connectivity across your entire operation, allowing you to access real-time data anywhere at any time. For this tutorial, we will be activating a cell modem using Verizon as our preferred provider. We will add a line to our Verizon business account. Visit Verizon.com and sign in or create an account. To set up a new business account, you must provide the tax ID number of your business. Once signed in, scroll to your lines. Since we have the cellular modem, we already have a device. Choose Bring Your Own Device. Now, you will need to identify the IMEI number within the display. The IMEI is the modem's identifier. The IMEI is printed on the back of the modem, on the box that the modem was packaged in, and found in the display when the modem is connected under Diagnostics, Cellular, and Setup. If you plan to use the integrated SIM card, check Integrated. Reminder, all embedded SIM cards are compatible with Verizon only. If you are using your own SIM card, check External. Based on your selection, copy the respective IMEI number to Verizon. Because we are using the integrated SIM card in this example, we will select I have a physical SIM card to activate from the SIM dropdown. Now, enter the ICC ID number from the integrated SIM card. The ICC ID number is the SIM card's identifier. This step is to verify that the embedded SIM card is compatible with Verizon's network. Find the ICC ID printed on the back of the cellular modem or within the display under Diagnostics, Cellular, and Setup. Specify your contract term. Choose Confirm Devices. Review the items in your device list and choose Continue. Choose a data plan that fits the needs of your operation. Choose Continue. Now, you will need to assign a unique number to the device. Enter your zip code on the left and choose a phone number from the drop-down. Select Assign Numbers to All. Before we continue, enter user information for the device by choosing Add User Information. Enter your name, email, and address. Choose Save. Once saved, choose Continue. Review the items in your cart and proceed to checkout. Once purchased, ensure the cellular modem is securely attached to the InCommand Go display, the correct carrier is selected from the drop-down, and the appropriate SIM slot is connected. Momentarily, the InCommand Go display will receive a cellular connection. Now, you will be able to activate the cell modem to provide a constant and reliable cellular connection directly from the cab of your machine. For more information on setup and settings, visit the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. For more information on cellular connection, see the cellular installation instructions. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.